Welcome to Official Storytime with Miss Anna. Today we're going to be reading It's Raining Tacos by Pari Grip, illustrated by Peter Emmerich. Let's see what the book is all about. It's my birthday. It's going to be great. Birthday with pigs and cake. All my friends will come celebrate. Yay, it's my birthday. For my birthday, I've got a new pet, a doggie. Oh, she's the best, the biggest, fluffiest pooch that I've ever met. A dog for my birthday. It's my party. Outside in the sun, we play games, we jump and we run. Prizes and fun for everyone. What a great party. Oh no, 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 no. Doggy, what did you do? Ooh. Oh no, 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 no. Not the pepperoni too. Oh. Oh, it's my birthday. What can I do? There's a cake and happy birthday to you. Do birthday wishes really come true? I'll make a wish for my birthday. I blow out the candles. What is that sound? Thump, thunk on the roof really loud? Look outside. What's that on the ground? It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos from out to the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos out in the street. Tacos all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, yum, yum. It's like a dream. Yum, yum, yum. Bring your sour cream. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat. Cheese, 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 cheese. It's raining tacos. Yes, it's my birthday. It turned out great. Birthday, we ate tacos and cake with my friends and my dog to help celebrate. Yay, it's my birthday. And that, my friends, was the end of the story. It's raining tacos, tacos, tacos. I'll see you next time. Bye.